Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. What if I told you that behind every peace handshake, behind every smiling press conference, behind every photo of this diplomacy, there lurked a shadow script of bloodshed. Ji haan. This is about India and Pakistan, two nuclear armed neighbors, forever caught in a cycle of hope and horror. But what if the cycle is not a mistake, but a master plan? Ji haan. So as you can see here, the headlines: master behind the curtain, the Sharif brothers and machinery of bloodshed. So for over a decade, two brothers, Nawaz Sharif, Shehbaz Sharif, these two brothers, they held Pakistan's highest civilian office. And to the world, they looked like a men of peace. But behind the curtain, they were scripting something far more sinister. Ji haan. From Kargil to Pathankot, from Uri to Pahalgam, every moment of peace was followed by a calculated act of terror. Is it a coincidence or conspiracy? So in this video, we uncover the truth that the world needs to see. That is the hidden hand of the Sharif brothers. Now, their alliance with the deep state and also the deadly theater they played out across the line of control. So this is not just history. This is the anatomy of betrayal. So buckle up, because what you are about to hear might just change your perspective, how you see diplomacy forever. So curious about the untold story which shaping our relations with Pakistan? So you are in the right place, and if you are passionate about the uncovering global events and understanding their impact, make sure subscribe to Legacy IAS Academy channel to stay updated with our latest insights, and like this video if you find it informative, and share it with friends who value staying informed. Now, so first of all, let me tell you, you can comment your thoughts also, because we love hearing from you. So let's explore the world's complexities together. Now, what is the main idea here? What is the main idea? Nawaz Sharif and Shehbaz Sharif, two prime ministers of Pakistan, pretended to support peace with India, but they were actually involved in or supported terrorist activities against India. Now, while they acted peaceful in public, they were secretly allowing or supporting attacks on India through terrorist groups. Ji haan. This is the main reason. So first of all, we need to understand who are the Sharif brothers. तो जैसा कि आप सभी ने नाम सुना होगा, नवाज शरीफ and Shehbaz Sharif, both are brothers, and they held high offices in a Pakistan region. So first of all, we need to understand who are these Sharif brothers. Clear? So let me tell you that Nawaz Sharif, who was the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, as you can see his image, Nawaz Sharif, who served as Prime Minister of Pakistan 3 times. Shehbaz Sharif, his younger brother, Prime Minister from April 2022 to August 2023, and again from March 2024 onwards, he was a Prime Minister. Clear? Now, first of all, we are going to discuss about Nawaz Sharif and about the Lahore betrayal, that is during the time period of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. तो थोड़ा सा historical background हम यहाँ पर लेके चलते हैं. Clear? That is Nawaz Sharif and Lahore betrayal. Now, what is this Lahore betrayal? So let me tell you, this is the story of 1999. In 1999, India's PM was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who visited Lahore, Pakistan, and he signed the Lahore Declaration with Nawaz Sharif to promote peace. But soon after this agreement, Pakistani soldiers and militants led by General Parvez Musharraf, as you can see his image, led by General Parvez Musharraf, invaded Kargil area. which results into a Kargil conflict, that is in Indian territory. And this Kargil war or conflict led to many deaths and also broke India's trust in Pakistan. Now, अब नवाज शरीफ ने इसके बाद क्या कहा? नवाज शरीफ claimed that he did not know about the Kargil attack. If this is true, it means he was powerless, and if false, that means he was involved. और इसी अटैक के साथ ही साथ हमें कुछ इमेजेस मिली नवाज शरीफ एंड परवेज मुशर्रफ की. That means he knew about this attack. तो दोस्ती का फिर ढोंग क्यों रचना, है ना? Now after that the similar kind of incident took place in 2015. जी हाँ, at that time also the Prime Minister of Pakistan was Nawaz Sharif only. That is Prime Minister Modi visit and Pathankot attack 2015 to 2016. जी हाँ, in 2015 Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he made a surprise visit to Lahore to meet Nawaz Sharif. Soon after his visit in January 2016, terrorists attacked Pathankot Air Base. As you can see here, terrorists attacked Pathankot Air Base. Now, अब वो attackers थे कौन? वो terrorist किस group को belong करते थे? So the attackers belong to Jaish-e-Mohammed, which is a group based in Pakistan region. Nawaz Sharif at that time also he condemned that attack, but nothing changed. The same group kept operating. Same group was kept operating. अब इसी के बाद कौन सा अटैक होता है? उरी अटैक 2016 में, और फिर इंडिया को बोल्ड मूव लेना पड़ा सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक का. जी हाँ, in September 2016 terrorist attack on an army base in Uri, Jammu and Kashmir, killing Indian soldiers in their sleep, and India responded by launching the surgical strike operations across the LOC. जी हाँ, and this marked a change that India now saw both Pakistan military and civilian leaders like Nawaz Sharif as part of this problem. Now, Nawaz Sharif was diplomatically isolated for not taking action against the terror groups. फिर टाइम आता है शहबाज शरीफ का. जी हाँ, अब शहबाज शरीफ का अगर हम बात करें ड्यूरिंग द टाइम, सो शहबाज शरीफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनते हैं 2022 में, एंड ही वाज नॉमिनेटेड बाय हिज ब्रदर नवाज शरीफ ओनली. नाउ ड्यूरिंग द टाइम अब 2022 से 25 तक कौन से रीसेंट अटैक हुए? तो सबसे पहले अटैक की अगर हम बात करें, दैट इज रजौरी अटैक ऑन 1 जनवरी 2023. जी हां, अब रजौरी अटैक क्या था? मिलिटेंट्स ने यहां पर रजौरी में होम्स पर अटैक किया था. मिलिटेंट्स अटैक्ड होम्स इन रजौरी, किलिंग सिविलियंस इंक्लूडिंग विमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन. नाउ they specifically target Hindu based on religion. And who claimed the responsibility of this attack? Again the TRF, the Resistance Front. TRF, which is also a group of Lashkar-e-Taiba. So a group called TRF was suspected. After that, Riyasi ambush, June 2024 में, that means last year, ये अटैक हुआ. अब ये अटैक क्या था? इसमें अटैकर्स ने यूज किया था अमेरिकन मेड वेपन्स. जी हां, अटैकर्स यूज अमेरिकन मेड M4 कार्बाइन्स यूजुअली यूज्ड बाय पाकिस्तानी स्पेशल फोर्सेस. अब इस पर इंडियन इंटेलिजेंस ने क्या कहा? इंडियन इंटेलिजेंस सेड दैट द अटैक हैड साइंस ऑफ स्टेट इन्वॉल्वमेंट, दैट इज पाकिस्तान स्टेट इन्वॉल्वमेंट. अब इस अटैक में टीआरएफ है ना, द रेजिस्टेंट फ्रंट, they first claimed their responsibility but then they withdrew their claim. तो और इसके बाद जो सबसे recent attack हुआ, that is पहलगाम massacre, which held on 22nd April 2025, that is recently. This attack in Baisaran Valley near Pahalgam, where militants killed 26 to 28 unarmed civilian and injured many others. अब कहा जा रहा है अटैकर्स वर पाकिस्तानी नेशनल एंड TRF justified it, that is the resistant front justified it by saying that it was against the demographic changes which is similar to what Pakistan is saying about Kashmir. Getting my point? So this attack tried to internationalize the Kashmir issue. इस अटैक से पाकिस्तान कश्मीर इशू को इंटरनेशनलाइज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. तो कहने का मतलब यह है कि ये ज्यादातर अटैक किसके टाइम पीरियड में हो रहे हैं? शरीफ ब्रदर्स के टाइम पीरियड में. सो व्हाट इज द रियल फेस ऑफ शरीफ ब्रदर्स? क्या चाहते हैं? सो नवाज शरीफ एंड शहबाज शरीफ, दे अपीयर टू बी पीस मेकर, बट in reality they allowed terror groups to grow under their rule. Their government never shut down these terror networks, and they use peace talks as tricks to buy time or fool the world. This is the strategy of Sharif brothers, है ना? Now military क्या करती है? Military provide करती है guns in militants को. So military provides guns and training, and the Sharif offer cover with fake diplomacy. This is the reality of Pakistan. Now, अब बहुत सारे पर्सपेक्टिव बने हुए कि सिविल मिलिट्री रिलेशंस आर नॉट गुड इन पाकिस्तान. Can we say it is a myth? Whether civil military is a myth in Pakistan or not. Many believe civilian leaders like Nawaz Sharif and Shehbaz Sharif, they are helpless under the Pakistani army. But remember this thing, this is not true according to various international experts. On India and Kashmir, both military and civilian government, they act together. इंडिया और कश्मीर पे सिविलियन और मिलिट्री गवर्नमेंट दोनों ही साथ में एक्ट करती हैं. कैसे? आर्मी यूजेस टेरर, पॉलिटिशियंस गिव फेक पीस जेस्चर्स. आर्मी टेरर यूज करेगी, पॉलिटिशियन शरीफ ब्रदर्स ये फेक पीस करने का दावा करते हैं, है ना? सो टुगेदर दे फॉर्म अ यूनिफाइड स्ट्रैटेजी टू हर्ट इंडिया, एंड दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ शरीफ ब्रदर्स. जी हां. तो अब ये शरीफ ब्रदर्स, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट, सो शरीफ लेगेसी 12 years of violence. जी हां. नाउ इफ यू कंबाइन द शरीफ ब्रदर्स, so they have ruled Pakistan for nearly 12 years. 12 साल से रूल कर रहे हैं. अब इनके रूल में क्या क्या चीजें हुई? इनके टाइम पीरियड में टेरर ग्रुप्स गॉट स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड दे चेंज देयर नेम्स, लाइक TRF, द रेजिस्टेंट फ्रंट, पीपल्स एंटी फैसिस्ट फ्रंट. पीस अटेम्प्ट्स बाय इंडिया ऑलवेज एंडेड इन अटैक्स एंड betrayals. This is the reality. And India lost many lives in Rajouri, Riazi, Uri attack, Pathankot, Pahalgam area, etc. तो अब ओवरऑल हमें इससे मैसेज क्या मिल रहा है? नेवर अगेन फूल्ड. इंडिया शुड लर्न दिस मैसेज. नेवर अगेन फूल्ड. द शरीफ ब्रदर्स आर नॉट पीस मेकर्स, बट दे आर डिसीवर्स. देयर डिप्लोमेसी इज फेक. And India must not trust such gestures again, because behind every peace offer from them is a hidden dagger. A planned betrayal is there. This is the reality of Sharif brothers. So overall, अब आप टाइम पीरियड देखिए, 12 years legacy of Sharif brothers, 5 major attacks, dozen of peace gestures turned into funerals. But one common thread, the Sharif brothers at the helm. This is not a story of failed diplomacy. It is the story of weaponized diplomacy. This is the story of handshakes that led to heartbreaks. है ना? ये वो डिप्लोमेसी है जहां पर हाथ मिलाया फिर दिल भी तोड़ दिया. So where handshakes led to the heartbreaks, of smile that hide snipers, of a state policy built on the deception and denials. The world often sees Pakistan's civil leaders as helpless puppets, but the evidence paints a chilling picture. Not victims of the deep state, but they are the architect of games. So we owe it to every innocent life lost in Rajouri, Riazi, Uri, Pathankot, and now Pahalgam to tell the truth, and to see through the mask of moderation, and also to ensure that the next peace gesture is not another setup. So if you found this video eye-opening, share it. Let the world know. Let this video break the myth and build awareness, because history repeats itself only when we forget. So do not be fooled again, not by handshake and not by the hollow words, and definitely not by the Sharifs. So this is all about perspective with respect to Sharif brothers. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video among your friends and family members, and comment your thoughts. Thank you so much.